Happy Pizza Day! Happy Pizza Day! Happy Pizza Day! Oh, hi guys, it's Miss Sandy. Thanks for coming to Storytime today. You're just in time. We were having a pizza party play date today. Mr. Bear, Mr. Owl, and Mr. Rabbit and I were having a pizza party today. Let's see what we did. Look here, we made a menu. Can you see the menu? We put cheese, pizza, pepperoni pizza, water, and juice. And then we got a little pad of paper to write our orders down. I decorated mine and I decorated my pencil. Look at that. I made a smiley face, a red smiley face, and I put these squishy heart stickers on my pad of paper. I put my apron on. I think I have some flour on my face. We got flour everywhere. It was going everywhere when we were making pizza. We made little bibs for us when we eat. We put our plates out and we put our cups. And we had a pizza party today. Let's sing a pizza song. Are you ready? Let's put your hands out and let's say, oh, I wish I were a pepperoni pizza. That is what I truly want to be. 'Cause if I were a pepperoni pizza, everyone would be in love with me. Let's go to the kitchen and I'll show you how we made our pizza. Let's make our pizza. I found this bowl. It's a wooden bowl. Look at that, it's pretty big. So find a bowl in your kitchen. And it's nice and smooth. It's a big wooden bowl. Okay, and what do we need to make pizza? Let's get our flour first. And flour, we sift flour. So let's pretend we have a sifter. We're gonna hold it here and we're gonna crank it. And let's say, sift the flour, sift, sift the flour, sift the flour, sift, sift the flour, sift the flour, sift, sift the flour. What do we need next? How about water? Let's pretend we have a cup of water here and a cup of water there. And let's say, pour the water, pour, pour the water, pour the water, pour, pour the water, pour the water, pour, pour the water. What do we need next? We have flour and water. How about yeast? And yeast is white and powdery, and you put it in dough and it makes dough rise. It makes it rise up. That's what yeast is. Let's sift the yeast. Sift the yeast. Sift, sift the yeast. Sift the yeast. Sift, sift the yeast. Are we gonna mix this pizza dough with a spoon? No, we're gonna use our hands and we're gonna knead the dough. Kneading is mixing with your hands. Let's knead the dough. Knead, knead the dough. Knead the dough. Knead, knead the dough. Let's lift our dough out and let's pat the dough. Pat, pat the dough. Pat the dough. Pat, pat the dough. We have our big pizza dough. Let's toss the pizza. Toss, toss the pizza. Toss the pizza. Toss, toss the pizza. We put the pizza in the oven, we bake it, and then we have a pizza party. Pizza party, pizza party, pizza party, pizza party, pizza party. Do you like my hat too? I forgot to tell you about that. I made that myself just with paper and a plastic bag. Check out my email address on the bottom, guys. Shoot me a line. Let me know how you're doing. I want to hear from you. You were tremendous today. Thank you for coming. Bye.